How to download YouTube playlist on your PC or computer. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video's guide, we will be learning that step by step. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So what we can do is we can head over and save those video in a playlist first. So one of the things is when you head over to the playlist, for example, this one right here, and I have some of the playlist available. So when you go to this playlist that you've created, if you find the download option, you can directly look out for the download option here. Or if not there, you can manually go ahead and download each of the videos. Click on download. And once you do so, you can select up your quality and you can select this option for try for free. Or if you want higher resolution, you can select the option for higher resolution and download that particular video. But if you'd like to download the whole playlist, what we can do is we can save the videos into watch later instead. So you can go to watch later for that. So let's head over to one of the videos and add it up to our playlist. So let's say this is the video. What you need to do is head over to the video, and once you are headed there, you may scroll down and you can look out for this three dot. And once you do so, you can save it, click on save. And you can select the option to save it into watch later. This one right here, click on it. After you do so, confirm it, and you can go to the menu in the top left. From there, just go ahead and access this option for watch later. And from watch later, you will be finding your playlist available. Now, all you gotta do is basically look out for this download option right here. So when you go ahead and click on this download option, it will automatically download all of the videos that is available on your playlist. So you can wait for this download to be completed on 100%. And when you head over here, even when you're offline, you will be finding the video being available for you on YouTube. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.